Hi there! So today I'm going to show you how to join two swatches of stockinette together using a mattress stitch. So if we just look at this row here and just pop our needle in, you'll notice that there is a bar for every stitch. There's none of them missing. So we're going to start sewing from one piece of fabric to the other using not the edge here, but just this row of stitches here. That's the first one in. So let's get going. You will notice I've made my swatches. There's one that's a little bit bigger than the other. So, let's not worry about that. You will get an idea by the end of this video how to sew the mattress stitch. So let's go ahead and find the bar that's behind that first stitch. There we go. Can you see it? So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pull my yarn through. I'm using a contrast yarn just for the purposes of this video. You'll probably be using the same coloured yarn. And then I'm going to locate the same bar on the opposite swatch. There we go. That's what it looks like. So now what we've done is we've joined the two pieces. Then we're going to find the next bar, working up, and just pull the yarn through. Now at this stage you can just leave the yarn nice and loose. Put your needle into the next hole and find the next bar. There we go. And you just keep working from piece to piece, finding those bars and pulling your yarn through all the way up. I find that, this stage is generally when you're getting close to the end of your project and you're sewing together your pieces. So I find it takes some time with this stage, because putting together, assembling whatever you've made, you've probably spent so much time making it. Just get this bit right and I promise you it'll be worth it. So we just go all the way up. Where's the next bar? There we go. See the bar there? And then we go there. And we're just working all the way up. If you struggle to locate the stitch, just pull it apart and you'll easily see the bar. Now, as I mentioned, I'd knitted two different size swatches, which wasn't very helpful, but it's fine. So once you've got to the point where you have completed and sewn together the bits that you want sewing together, it probably will look something like this. Now, what I love about this stage is that you can simply take both ends and hold them and pull them, and if I just pull this back and forth a bit, like that. Now, if you are working with an untwisted yarn, this is applied yarn, can you see? So it twists around. If there's no twists in your yarn, to stop the yarn breaking in between, just give it some twists. Make it a tighter rope, and then you'll be able to do exactly what I'm doing. So all I'm doing is just pulling it through, making sure that my tension looks nice. If you have a look at it, you can't see exactly where the stitches are, and at the end you can just sew in the ends and secure them. But okay, have a great day, and please do give us a like down below if you found this video useful. Thanks for watching.